Pedal Commander, bitches.
So, we are in Costa Mesa, California, and we are visiting mixed martial arts legend, Tony Ferguson. Now, Tony, if you've seen him fight, you know he has a very fast pace. So, we came to bring him a Pedal Commander and see if he can get some boost in his challenger and see if he can go even faster than he already does. See what he's doing.
Curving on my critics like I heard you, so what? You can't kill my confidence, I think I'm the man. Tally all the I ever gave on my head. Lately I've been living like I can't take a loss. They ain't wanna help me, that's what made me a boss. You can't kill my confidence, I think I'm the man. We don't give a that's what they don't understand.
Back again like flu season, I broke records while loose leafing. I'm coming down my roof, leaving, don't give a I don't care.
Why don't you hit that wood?
Huh?
Why don't you go hit the wood?
Because I don't want to break my knuckles.
Did the by my lonesome, no wonder now I'm on one. No shortcuts on that long run, all I really want is my share. Get on my god on my
hold on your lug nuts. Time for an overhaul.
I like it. Punchy. It's cool. Pedal Commander, okay. So, we're in Sport 4. Can I switch this? I put my foot off the gas. Can I switch this to regular eco mode from here?
But you got for eco, you got to hold it 3 seconds.
1, 2.
And you'll notice that it'll slow your throttle down. So you're not going to burn tire, you're going to go slower. Watch, try it now. Now it'll save you gas. It'll force you to save gas.
Right.
So if you're going on a long road trip, that'll save you up to 20% in fuel.
Nice. So we're going to go into Sport 4. And we're going to go into number 4 mode. We're good to go. Traffic's clear. Let's roll. Ooh, that thing got some puppy. I feel it.
It comes in quick, right?
Choo-choo. I love it already. Oh, shit. Plug and play.
Plug and play. Can you believe it just plugged in real quick?
Boss. That's hard. I mean, it's Bluetooth.
And it's Bluetooth. You can connect it to your phone. If you don't want to mount it to your dash, you can put it under your dash and then control it all from the app. So you can control it wirelessly. You can change all your modes from right there.
Just on the phone, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Nice. Yeah. You can't help it. It's there. You can feel it. With my car, I love it because it sits low to the ground. I can feel the grab on it.
Yeah.
This thing's got some huevos. Now with some rancheros. This is badass. This is clean. Thank you, John. And the transition's nice. It's not like a hiccup in it either.
Pedal Commander.
Pedal Commander. This is awesome, dude. Well, whoever made this is a fucking genius, dude. This is cool. So it was safety gas or waster gas, right? I love it. Love it. Love it. Everybody's gonna be jealous though.
Basically.
It's mine. It's mine. Can't have it. It's awesome, man.
You felt the difference.
Yeah, that's for sure. My car's got a lot of balls already, but I'm gonna be real. With this thing, it's pretty cool to have actually the power right there in your hands to go from eco mode to Sport Plus. I feel the immediate difference when I go from the regular, even the city, to Sport Plus, and it makes me want to just keep it in Sport Plus at number 4. This guy right here, you'll be addicted to it. This guy's like another transport.
Yeah, speed demon.
Absolutely. I recommend anybody that has a car to come and get a Pedal Commander, man. Make sure you guys check them out at pedalcommander.com.